The 86-step stairway of granite rock is built on top of a hill as a lookout post and citadel as well as a religious center during the administration of the region by the friars and soldiers of Spain.
Na inyong makikita sa aming likuran na si Apo Bakit na siyang bubungad sa maraming taong pupunta rito.
Itong imahe na to, tinatawag na Apo Bakit, ay nagpapahiwatig na bangon na.
Kaya dito na nila itinayo ang simbahan ng Nuestra Señora de Asunción.
Ang tinatawag naming Apo Bakit ay si Virgin Mary.
Ang nagtutulungan na ma-preserve ang simbahan na to ay ang church at ang LGU. Sa palatandaan ng makasaysayang pandaigdigang beach na ito ay ang antiquity at architectural design nito. At ito ay mahigit 250 years nang nakatayo. Kaya ito ay ang yaman ng mga mamamayan ng Santa Maria. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Pasok tayo.
Church situated on a hill, surrounded by Deacon's Wood.
Ang tower na ito ay hiwalay. Kakaiba ito dahil nasa bandang left side at ito ang nasa bandang gitna ng simbahan.
Yan nga, pagbagong pasok tayo sa isang simbahan ay kapag umiling tayo ay natutupad ito. Kaya naman, samahan niyo ako at magdasal tayo.
Santa Maria Church, also known as the Church of St. Mary, Santa Maria Inocencio, Philippines, is one of the oldest and most iconic Spanish-era churches in the country. It was designated as the National Cultural Treasure by the Philippine government in 2011.
Construction of the Santa Maria Church began in 1765 under the supervision of Augustinian friars. It was completed in 1810, taking almost 5 decades to finish due to various difficulties, including an earthquake that damaged the church in 1786.
The chapel became an independent ministry in 1769. It was dedicated to the Virgin Mary under the title of Our Lady Assumption.
Roadway coming from the back of the church is also leads to the courtyard, but only used on special occasion.
Throughout its history, the Santa Maria Church endured several natural calamities, including earthquakes and typhoons. This also played a significant role in the Philippines Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. It served as a refuge for revolutionary leaders and their supporters who sought protection within its walls during the revolution.
Today, the Santa Maria Church stands as the testament to the rich heritage and resilience of the Filipino people. Its well-preserved architecture and historical significance attracts tourists and pilgrims from around the world who come to visit and appreciate its beauty and learn from its past.
Nakita nga natin na kasing tibay ng pananampalataya at paniniwala ng mga taga Santa Maria ang simbahan na to, na kahit dumaan man ang maraming taon, patuloy pa rin itong matatag at nakatayo.